guys, I am in Pune and I'm so happy right now. First things first, put the bag up. I love to set up the bag in this little bag thing that they have. I am a very, so you know, okay, how some people are like messy hotel room keepers. I am a very proper one. First things first, connect the Wi-Fi. I have not gotten good quality high-speed internet for the past 4 days and I feel like my life is not normal, so I need to do a Quigley 80860. Last name is Sharma. Connect. We get free Wi-Fi in our hotels, so that's awesome. Next order of business, call for some honey and lemon because DIY spa day. Thank you. Got the honey and lemon. Now I just need to lather my body up with this and gonna wash my hair, gonna have a nice DIY spa day at my hotel because the whole room is to myself. Yay! I'm just taking off my makeup. My honey and lemon is here. I'm watching a YouTube video because I've not been able to do that in the past few days, so I really wanted it. By the way guys, this is my accessory pouch. These basically have a pair of ear studs, a pair of longer earrings and a necklace in it. Just in case on layovers I want to accessorize and I don't bring any. I actually do not bring any accessories anymore because these go with everything. That's why they're in here. And I have a little Ganpati that my mother gave me. She's like, keep it with you. I'm like, oh, it's cute. So I did. Gonna wipe off my makeup. I like to use the Kiko Pure Clean wipes, my favorite. I have tried 2 other wipes before this, just to change things up, try out new things, but I realized that this is the best. Put a black tea bag in your shoes, be it gym shoes or heels for me, and they will not smell. The black tea will actually take away all the bad smell and your shoes will be looking good. Okay, so let's see what I have in the menu today. Ooh, I've got some arrabbiata pasta. Yummy, yummy. With a side of garlic bread. Looks so good and smells so good too. I love spaghetti pasta, if you did not know. And I've got, as a dessert, some vanilla ice cream, which is actually shut right now. I'm gonna keep it like that. And I'm gonna eat that. Yeah, that's right. Yay! My uniform is here. It's always like Christmas whenever I open this. Yay! Okay, uniform. You know guys, I don't know, I gave gave this today only, and he gave me in like a couple of hours. It's so weird, but yeah. I wear the sleeveless body warmer inside my uniform because it's so cold, and then I wear this little satin slip inside for the bottom half of my body. Yeah. I don't want to show you the view because then you'll know exactly which hotel I'm in. But yeah, can't get to sleeping. Should not. Can't sleep. Need to study. Let me do that. Yeah.